दाबोळे नाक्यार सार्वजनिक गणपती पुजपा खातीर घाल्ल्या माटवाक लागून वाद जाला। हायवेक तेकून हो माटव घाल्ल्यान अपघात जावं येता अशी कागाळ संजय म्हाळशेकारान केल्या। मंडळान जाय ते सगळे कायदेशीर सोपस्कार केल्या अशें हो सार्वजनिक उत्सव करपी दाबोळे यूथ असोसिएशनाचो कमला प्रसाद यादव म्हणटा। सुत्रां सांगतात ते प्रमाण आयोजकांनी अर्ज केल्यात पूण कोणेच तांकां कसलीच मान्यताय दिवंक ना।
मंडळांनी गणपती लावपाचे काय ऑब्जेक्शन ना, मंडळाचेर ऑब्जेक्शन ना, पूण गणपती लावपाचे चुकीचे कित्याक गणपती 11 दिसाचो आनी वर्सान वर्स लावचो पडटा आनी त्याच जाग्यार लावचो पडटलो। सो गणपती बसप हो चुकीचो न्हू, पूण चुकीचो जाग्यार बसप हे म्हत्वाचें आसा। हेजें हांवें डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक, नॅशनल हायवेक आनी हांवें इंटिमेट केला, कंप्लेंट करूंक ना, इंटिमेट केला।
आमचो मंडळ हो एक्चुअली रजिस्टर केला आमी आनी परमिशन जी आमी घेतलेलें आहा, नॅशनल हायवेची परमिशन घेतलेलें आहा, डेप्युटी कलेक्टराची परमिशन घेतलेलें आहा, पुलिसांक लेटर दिल्लें आहा, ते आमी सगळें केल्लें आहा।
पण तुमकां खबर आहा, तूं हांगसरलो लोकल रेजिडेंट असल्या कारणान हे दाबोली जंक्शन हे मेजर जंक्शन आसा आनी हांगसर आठवड्यांतल्यान एक नाल्यार एक अपघात जायत आसता। तुमकां असो भंय असो दिसना की हांगसर हे तुमच्या पेंडलाक लागून हांगा लोक जे येता ताका लागून हांगा अपघात बीन वाडटले अशें म्हणून?
ना, म्हाजें म्हणणें कितें, पेंडल जावचे पयलीं हांगा गार्बेज झोन आसली हांगा। आमी दाबोली यूथ असोसिएशन JCB लावन सगळें क्लीन केलें आनी हांगा खुबशे टँकर उबे रावताले। त्या टँकराक उबे रावचे कारण एक्सिडेंट जाताले, ते आमी बरें काम केलें।
I have received a letter from these people. They had requested for setting up their pandal for Ganesh. That is at a crucial junction where this Bogmala junction is very congested as it is now. And first of all, we can't give a permission for such things at all. We cannot entertain in a government land. So I have directed my manager to inspect the site and report it to me. In any way, we are not going to give any permission. We can't give.
फुटबॉल खेळटना दुखापत जाल्ल्या खेळगड्यांक ताकतिकेन थंयचे थंय दिवपाच्या त्रातामेंताविशीं जाणकार दोतोरांनी फुटबॉल कोचांक आयतारा मार्गदर्शन केलें। गोंय फुटबॉल उदरगत महामंडळान ही कार्यशाळा घडोवन हाडिल्ली। अशे तरेच्यो आनीक कार्यशाळा चवथी उपरांत घेवपाचें महामंडळान थारायलां।
First aid box on the ground. You must have at least minimum things. In the bus there is something called first aid box. You have seen? But what is inside? Patka numbers. Yeah, you also strain, injury to muscle, strain and rupture. What are the two different things? Now, as I said, muscle is red here, fleshy, and this is the thin attached to the bone. I'll show you the picture. Very good. You are catching the right. You got the heaviest is the chest, and पळे हांगाचे दोग जाणा हांगा नाही. Load the stretcher. Load the stretcher. Lift together. Yes. Now march. A little. Legs first. Now you want to go down.
Elbows should not bend heavily. Then you go for the breathing. Press so hard. Delicately. That's a person. Delicately. Keep this finger straight. Now, there is a leakage. Yeah, see. You saw? You saw the chest rise? So it's very important that you extend it.
Mr. Arnaldo Costa.
And to know that you all have benefited from today's program. Last Sunday also we had a program where we had 28 coaches and they too went very happy.
What I've experienced today, I've been here for 12 years. I've not experienced it before. This also should be extended to the rest of the people of God, because it's fantastic. I mean, what we experienced here and the CPR aspect, it's something that I've not experienced before. It's a big plus for this state and for this development director. So I really appreciate what has happened today.
Treated before injuries, maybe a small thing, but in here I have seen how to save a player or person, no matter on the field or even on the street or by accident and all. So it is something different. So how we can make use of the CPR and all, giving life breather to a person who is really in need.
Very much, because I think I can save a life. This is the bottom line. I can save that because here I knew what to do. When I came here, I knew like if there is some patient unconscious, you just have to blow, but I don't know how. But now they told me what to do, how to do it, you know. Don't rush. Sometimes if you rush, it will lead to more complications, okay?
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबरां चित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.
चवथ येता गणपती बाप्पा नाचत हाडटा. भजन आनी घुमटांच्या तालार फुगड्यो घालीत भक्त नाचता. सजोवन माटोळी फळां फुलांनी दाखयता नैवेद्य मोदक नेवऱ्यांनी. परबेच्या निमतान करतात तरेतरेच्यो खरेदी. गणपती बाप्पा आमकां सगळ्यांक बरी बुद्धी दी. प्रुडंट तुमच्या मुखार चवथी निमतान हाडटा दर दिसा एक वेगळी खाशेली कार्यावळ 11 सप्टेंबरा सावन 29 सप्टेंबर मेरेन.
चवथ कार्यावळीचे प्रायोजक आसात सुपर 6 प्रोडक्ट्स.